Hello everyone, Shubham here again and welcome you all to Coders. So as in the previous video we have learned about how internet works. Now in this video moving on we are going to learn how websites work. So as in the previous video we have learned how the internet works and how websites are loaded. So as we can see we are going to revise some of the topics again for proper understanding the things which are we are going to learn in this video. So what happens actually when our client side computer actually send the postal codes of website which we want to access to the Google server, and when Google server send again back the content of the website, that content renders in the form of beautiful websites such as google.com. So how this work actually? Every website is basically made of three components, which is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We can understand these three languages of web development in this following analogy. The first one is a brick analogy. An HTML is nothing but just a structure, such as we make our home with bricks. Similarly, HTML make the structure of the web pages, such as the brick make the structure of our home. And CSS is nothing but just decorate the structure which you have made, just like a painter do to our home. And what JavaScript do? It JavaScript add functionality such as electrician in home, such as without electricity and AC or tools or computers, our home is no functional and not so useful other than just of living. So in this way, the HTML, CSS and JavaScript work, and when we load our website, actually in background, these three languages work together to show us what we see actually. So as we have understood the concept of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so let's move on to the some practical examples. So I'm showing you here the HTML version of Google. Actually, as I have said that HTML work as a structure, as a brick structure of web pages. So I'm showing you the how the google.com main web page is made of structures. So you can see there are a lot of rectangles, squares. So this is the basic structure of Google web page. Now further moving on, and this is the web page with HTML and CSS. And CSS just what do, they add decoration, the alignment of that structure of that rectangle says where we want so that the websites look beautiful. And what JavaScript do is that it's add functionality, such as if you want to source something that's a basic coding. So this is the functionality of a website that we can search anything. So in this way the JavaScript works. So as we have gained so much of knowledge about how websites works, let's move on and play with some websites. So I'm going to website, a famous website actually for coders, HackerRank. And if you right click your mouse button and goes to inspect element, I'm using Mozilla Firefox. You can actually use Chrome developer tools also, and we will talk about these tools further on in lectures also. So as you go and inspect element, and I'm going to try out this text matching developers with great companies to change. So I'm going just in the header section, and now just we can write matching lovers with great companies, and you can see now HackerRank shows matching lovers with great companies. But don't be too happy, it is just a temporary copy and it will got changed if we just refresh the page. So in this way the websites work, and as we move forward in this course we will learn more about websites and how they actually works. So thank you all for watching, and the website just reloaded, and you can see that what we have typed actually has actually gone. So that's now for today. Thank you all very much. Hope you like the video, and if you found the content helpful, please share, like, and subscribe.